Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick little unboxing of a small canvas. I actually had been keeping my eye on, and in my last order I needed one for, free shipping. And I saw this cute little canvas was still in stock. This is a diamondart canvas, and it is called Flying Friends, which is a 15 by 13 inch or 38 by 33 centimeter. And as you can see, it's Harry Potter. It's so cute. I love the design, and I just really love it. I just never had a chance to pick it up until I saw a couple weeks ago they did restock it, and I just think it's cute. I love the little cutesy style, so that's why I had to pick it up. It's just cute. I'm not too sure about the artist. It just states Wizarding World Harry Potter, so I believe that's pretty much what name to go under. Some information about the canvas. It is 17 colors, which includes one Aurora Borealis or AB diamond, and in total, once the painting is completed, it's 15,912 diamonds. So it's a small canvas, and it is a round shaped diamond. Ooh, I really like it. If you never purchased Diamondart Club canvases, they always come in really nice sturdy boxes, and they're always nicely wrapped and sealed. Big fan of that. And I'm going to try to do this unboxing really quick because it's such a small canvas and it really doesn't want to come out of the box. And here we go. Apologies if the lighting's a little off. I am recording when I don't usually record, so I'll try to edit it as much as I can. Because yeah, now that I'm looking at it on camera, it does look a little dark. But, ooh, I just noticed it has the older style of items. That's why I stopped, because it's kind of stuck. I think I should have moved everything out before I started recording. Oh, there we go. And what I mean by older style, it's the previous style of toolkit. As if you have watched some of my previous unboxings or even other unboxing videos, the toolkit got redesigned. So this was the style it was before. I can show real quickly what it has, because I think it might have a cover minder. Hopefully. And let me see if I can get everything out. I really hope it has washi tape, because I do save those, because I do like collecting them. And some canvases I still do line the wonderful little edge, especially if the washi tape is really pretty color. But usually I don't do that. Oh, I see it. There is a cover minder, which I'm probably gonna have to fix, and I'll explain what I mean. Let me put this aside real quick. And as you can see, little packet of resealable bags, wonderful washi tape. Yay, they did put it. It's a really dark color with flowers. I really like this one. And the pen matches it as well. A really nice dark plum color. Apologies if you hear some sounds. My kitty cat's in the room, so you hear her collar or she'll meow sometimes. And a box, a heart-shaped box with 2 pads of their wonderful pink wax. I own so many of these because I really love the wax. Multi-placer of 7 and 4, and a cover minder. Now, as you can see, the cover minder is a little broken, but the cute bunny with a carrot. Oh, that's so cute. The magnet's detached, but that's okay. If I can just get some crazy glue, I can just stick it on the back, and it's good as new. Not an issue at all. And these are the trays, that the older style. As you can see, it's smaller. It does have a little stopper, but it does. I am glad that the trays now in the redesign are a lot larger. Really useful when you're doing large sections on a painting. It's a really big tray, so I'm a big fan of that. So let me make sure I can put everything in the bag. It did surprise me that it was an older style, which is interesting. I thought it might have been already redesigned, because the restock wasn't that long ago. You get surprises every day, don't you? I'm just really happy that I can get washi tape. They don't include it anymore in their newer toolkits, but that's alright. Whenever I get lucky and find some, I make sure to save it. Ooh, let me put that aside. And a little sticker. They also used to include this little sticker, which a lot of diamond painters would put on the ends of their boxes. As for example, I do stack my stash, so I love seeing the ends, so I know what painting I want to work on next. I use these for my physical logbook, because they're such a perfect size, and I just think the art's cute. This painting was purchased through the diamondartclub website, apologies. But when it is not, it gives you a warranty card. And anytime you purchase paintings, for example, on Amazon, you do have to register the painting as kind of like insurance. So all Diamond Art Club canvases have a lifetime warranty. So if there's an issue with the diamonds, issues with the painting, don't worry. If you already registered, you guarantee the warranty, and means that you're covered for any issues. Always remember, I always give this advice, always remember to register as soon as you open your painting so you can sign it up and you don't have to worry about it down the line. So let's look at the wonderful canvas. Diamond Art Club canvases, no matter what size, always have them wrapped in this really nice plastic bag. Really a big fan of that. Let's keep the canvas safe. Really useful if I'm still working on the canvas. And let me unroll it. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I say that a lot. So as you can see, wonderful thank you pamphlet. We don't have to go through that. Wonderful diamonds as well. And a wonderful sticker sheet. As you can see, it includes all of the information of the painting and its start date. And the beautiful art. Ooh, really like that. It's so cute. As I stated, this canvas has 17 colors and it only includes one AB, which is this really pretty orange. Since it's an older style kit, any numbers below 150 is AB diamonds or Aurora Borealis diamonds. Newer kits now have their special diamonds at the end, and it does state AB or Z for fairy dust and all of that. I really like that they changed that, but back in the day we had to remember below 150 it's our ABs. I love that these labels are shiny. I've never seen that before. As you can see, the paper is really reflective. Big fan of that. The labels are pre-cut and adhesive, and I have to be careful not to have them pop out on me. I love saving this art. I don't use it for my logbook. I love using the little sticker, but it's just so cute. It's just Harry on his wonderful broom with his wonderful little owl following him. That's so cute. Actually, I'm thinking of an enhancement since there's only one AB, but let's go through the canvas before I start talking about that. Before I start talking shop, as the saying goes. Sorry, I just like saying that. No matter what size, Diamond Art Club canvases always include their motto on top, as well as the top left corner and bottom right corner. All of the full legend of the colors. Yeah, full legend of the colors on the bottom right corner, information about their customer service. Any issues with the canvas or diamonds, you can reach out to them. They'll assist you on correcting the issue. At the bottom in the middle, information of their social media and about a 10% discount code for your next order. And on the lower left corner, a small little emblem of the art and all the information about the canvas. Big fan of that. I can believe I can get it all on camera. Oh, so cute. I am hoping the background is all 310. Yeah, I am one of those. 310 is one of my favorite diamond colors. I just love the shine of it. I just love 310s. The canvas is always covered with a really sturdy plastic cover, and the stick, ooh, is never no joke. How it's so pretty, and I really like it. So let's go through the diamonds real quick. I believe there's, oh, plot twist. There's no 310. I just saw the legend. Interesting. I'm curious what the color is. Huh. Oh, sorry. I got distracted. I got real excited about the canvas. The diamonds are always packed in really nice, sturdy bag with an identifier of what painting it belongs to. Really useful if you store your diamonds and paintings in 2 different locations. Don't worry, they always find each other. And I am really trying to figure out how to open these. As I said, they are really nicely sealed. So, let me see if I can, oh, found it. Sometimes I can't find the edge. Apologies for the crinkly noise. Showing damage, y'all. So let me get this out real quick. Apologies, my kitty cat's playing with a toy. If you hear the little jingly ball, he's kind of playing with it. I'll try to edit it as much as I can. He's really having fun with it. As you can see, these wonderful, oh my goodness, it's been a long time since I've unboxed a small number of diamonds, and oh, that is so pretty. I love the shine on these. Oh, so pretty. So let's go through the colors really quick. I wasn't going to, but it's such a small canvas, I might as well. 17 colors, y'all. Unless I jinx myself, I'm going to take longer. First color is 3371, a really nice dark brown. Next color, 2 packets of 823, a really dark navy blue. Next color, 131, which is our one lonely AB. As you can see, the prismatic effect of the wonderful shine of the AB effect. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that it's orange. That's kind of surprising. Next color, 838, a really dark chocolate brown. 317, a nice dark gray. 433, a medium cocoa. 5200 is our beautiful white, as you can see. 3753, a soft teal. 758, a medium salmon color. 336, ooh, a really nice dark navy. 598, a medium teal. I love the teal colors, they're my favorite. 3033, a really soft sand color. 648, a smidgen of gray. Sorry, I had to say that. 3772, a nice, another light brown color. 3340, a really nice carrot orange. I like that color. And last one, 779. Oh my goodness, it was just one strip. I thought there were two. Wow, that's really surprising. I was not expecting that. So let's see where that one lonely AB is going to go. And I have a feeling my diamonds are going to fall off because I have that kind of luck. Give me a moment. Put them aside real quick. 131. The symbol for that one is the number 1, and it's the moon. The wonderful orangey moon in the background. That wonderful shiny AB is where it's going to go. The enhancement I'm thinking about is, as you can see, there's little stars in the sky. There's little light sparkles, the little white sparkles. This wonderful orange color is that AB. So I know the AB is going to be in the dark background, but I kind of want sparkle on the light little gray white color. And the color for that one is 3753. Which I'm not sure if I have it as a fairy dust or an AB. It'll probably be a fairy dust just to give it a soft shine. And it has two colors. It has that color and the symbol number 598. It's a nice teal color. If I have any fairy dust of these two colors, I'll probably do enhancement, but I'll inform you all when I do. I was originally going to do one for I was going to make the owl real sparkly, but since the moon is going to be in a whole AB, I'll just leave you all white, little owl. The color for him is the 5200, which makes sense. Oh, this canvas is so cute. I'm not too sure I'll do a kit up video for this because it is such a small amount, and I really want to start on this canvas already. I just want to start on a smaller canvas because I've been working on larger ones. I just want a quick finish, so this is such a perfect size, a 38 by 33 centimeter. I know, and it's a lot of color blocking, meaning a large amount of the colors are the same. So I can just be placing real quickly and don't have to worry about changing so many colors. Yeah, there isn't a lot of color changing. The only spot I can see that might have color changing is here on this wonderful little kind of smoke cloud. Or, yeah, that's the best way I can say it. It's the only spot that I would have to change color a lot. Majority of it is all color blocking. This one could be a quick finish. I wouldn't mind finishing. I know I can't finish in November, but I can finish in December. Yeah, I think Harry Potter is kind of like a holiday movie, but that's just me. To each their own. That's just me. I got into the habit of it. So that's why I picked up this canvas and I really want to work on it. Maybe I will do a kit up video. It'll be a real quick one and it's only 16 colors. But if I do, you'll see it on my channel. Yeah, yeah, let's see. Well, yeah, I will. Man, I'm really thinking about it. No, we will. It's such an odd video. Apologies for that. It will. I'll do a kit up video of it. I just really want to work on this painting. And all the information about this beautiful canvas I'll put in the description below. If maybe a nice flying Harry is your cup of tea as well. I really want to work on it already. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is we do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Harry Potter and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.